If you are looking for the best spray wax for black cars, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Torque Detail Mirror Shine Super Gloss Wax. The Torque Detail Mirror Shine Super Gloss Wax is a hybrid wax and sealant that can really deliver excellent shine for dark-colored vehicles. It's nothing like a traditional wax, it's easy to apply in just minutes, and it offers a super glossy finish that really makes black cars pop. This wax for black cars eliminates the need to use a whole lineup of products to get your vehicle sparkling and shining. It's hydrophobic and repels water from the exterior of your car, and it features a patented polymer-based formula that bonds to paint. Number 2. Turtle Wax T3KT Black Box Kit. With the number of wax products out there designed for black cars, it can be hard to know which to choose. The kit includes a 4-step process that will restore some life to your car's black paint. Numbered for easy reference, the 4 steps begin with a pre-wax cleaner and end with a spray detailer. Straightforward instructions on every product mean you can achieve a great waxing, even if you have never waxed a car before. The 2 included applicator pads make it easy to get the wax on the vehicle and not all over your hands. Number 3. CarGuys Hybrid Wax Sealant. CarGuys makes this wax to give you a more rewarding experience when waxing your vehicle, and it is designed for convenient use at home. As its label states, this is a hybrid, which means that it uses a synthetic formula with Carnauba as part of the ingredients. And it is also a more eco-friendly product. This product can work as car wax, sealant, and polish as well. This wax doesn't just conceal the imperfections on the car but also gives it a protective layer to prevent damage from UV rays. Number 4. MEGUIAR'S G7716 Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Quick Wax. This high-quality car wax is made from premium Carnauba. It helps to create a deep shine and maximum richness to your black paint. This liquid wax is sprayed on and then wiped off. It's safe for use on clear coats and will make black paint look deeper and blacker. You can apply this wax in direct sunlight. This makes it easier to apply. It won't leave any white waxy residue on your paint, rubber, or plastic. This makes it better than a traditional car wax for your black car. Number 5. CarGuys HOL 203 Black Car Care Kit. CarGuys HOL 203 is a good option for those looking for a complete car care kit. CarGuys make it to ensure you have everything you need to give your vehicle some comprehensive care. Besides the nice gloss and shine, this car wax will also give your protection from the elements. And you also get microfiber towels in the package to ensure you have proper material for wiping your vehicle without causing any damage. It is perfect for black and dark colored paintwork. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.